So if you're tired of taking 3 different pills every morning just to cover your omega-3s, vitamin D, and vitamin K, I found something that might simplify your routine. Ocean Blue Professional Omega-3 2100. It combines omega-3 with vitamin K2 and vitamin D3 in a single soft gel. It's burpless with an orange flavor, and it's gluten-free, non-GMO, and free from heavy metals. So with this, you get 60 soft gels per bottle, so about a 30-day supply at 2 per day, which is recommended. Your body can't make omega-3 fatty acids on its own, so you have to get them from food or supplements. And most people aren't eating enough fatty fish to hit the levels that actually make a difference.